Friday, the 13th edition of The Law and You, and just in honor of the day, we're going to change things up and give you 3 attorneys today for the price of 2. Joining us as always, we have attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli, and our special guest today, attorney Brian Cali from Brian Cali and Associates in Dunmore. Good to see you all today.
Thanks for having us. The smartest guy on the panel is wearing a tie.
The guy with the most knowledge. Well, yep, let's get to our question, and I know that often we talk family law. It's not something that Greg and Ed do, and that's why you brought Brian in. So Jason in Kingston wants to know, is it true that in a divorce, the property that people have is automatically divided 50% to each party? What is the situation here?
The answer is no. It's no, because Pennsylvania is an equitable property state. It's not a community property state. There's several factors under the divorce code that both the court and lawyers need to look at to make a determination of the appropriate division of property. Most of the factors are factors which deal with economics, where there's a great disparity in income and assets. The court needs to divvy that up and the assets up in a disproportionate way.
Is that, but Mike, I guess when we're talking about this, is that something you see like a common misconception that people just think, is that a common question you get, like they're just surprised that they can get more than?
Absolutely. People have this misconception that everything we get is divided 50-50, and often it is not. And often you find people who are looking and saying, well, why not? It's because of that economic disparity.
And is that something you guys always fight? Is that what the fight comes in, like in a divorce, the equitable distribution?
The distribution is always a question, and often the question is the difference in percentage. You could have percentages that are 50-50 often, or you could have percentages that are moving up to 55, and sometimes you could see 60 if in fact you have a great disparity in assets and income.
See it? You didn't even have to break a sweat today.
Nothing. I just got to say,
the least he's ever spoken.
Brought a ringer with you here, so
you bring a ringer.
It makes life easy.
It's like bringing a great golfer to a
Your captain and crew tournament.
Captain and crew.
Yeah. All right. Well, for our viewers who want to find out more or need a referral to Brian or a family attorney, how can they reach you?
Well, that's what you do. You call us 570-714-HURT. You can see us on the web, 714hurt.com. And like we told you, we refer these types of cases out, and Brian's one of the guys we actually work with. So.
That's it, and I just get to sit here and look pretty.
You got that covered.
Keep smiling. All right, attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli and attorney Brian Cali, thank you all for being here today. And don't forget, PAHomepage.com and the Law and You hotline are always open.